Hey guys, it's Bruno here with Ryka Vehicle Solutions. Today we're here to talk about the 5th Gen RAV4 lift kit. This ranges from 2019 to 2023, which is current. All right, so included in the kit, you get your front spacers that look just like this right here. They're stamped with a P and a D. P for passenger, D for driver. These are not only powder coated, these are also E-coated and then powder coated. So they'll last you a lot longer than what you find out there in the market today. For the rear, we have these nice billet spacers here. You get two of these sit on the frame, and this little nipple here goes in the center of the coil spring. So you get two of these. Along with that, you also get a cradle drop. So you get these 4 spacers here, along with these 2 other spacers. It's all part of the cradle drop. We also include sway bar drop brackets. You get 2 of these, also E-coated, powder coated. And you get this goodie bag with all the hardware that you need, so you can replace the existing bolts that go through the cradle drop, and then you get new flange nuts for the front struts. So that's what's included in our 5th Gen RAV4 lift kit. And in the install guide, there's also a small section in there that shows you a list of all the tools you'll need for the install. We'll drop a picture of it somewhere in this video so you guys can check it out. And then if you guys want to watch a video of the actual install, we have that as well. So just go through the videos on our YouTube page and you'll find the install video there. So there we have it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or anything else that you can think of, either drop it in the comments or shoot me an email at bruno@rykavs.com. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out.